Hello. We've just made a quick update to our Coyote time mechanic to be adaptive to our Unity's frame rate. We've updated it to allow high frame rates to be also able to handle the low frame rate count of our jump buffer as suggested by viewer VoxBeats. We'll do this by first changing our two values, jump buffer counter and jump buffer frames, from integers to floats. This will allow us to carry out our next step. Head to the update jump variables method and delete the line in the else statement for getting the jump input on reducing the jump buffer counter. Replace this line with setting jump buffer counter to itself decreased by time.delta time multiplied by 10. This will allow us to decrease the jump buffer counter over time based on the frame duration. Just remember to try setting your jump buffer frames to something more reasonable, as 8 will be too high of a value for the player to use.